how to connect Base44 with domain. Log into your Base44 account and open the app you want to connect to your domain. Go to the dashboard from the top menu, scroll down and click on the domain section. Choose connect your domain and type in your custom domain name. Go to the domain registrar and locate the DNS settings. Add or update DNS records for the root domain. Add an enemy or alias record pointing to base44.onrender.com if your registrar supports it. If not, add an A record pointing to 216.24.57.1. For the www subdomain, add a CNAME record pointing to base44.onrender.com. Return to Base44 dashboard, go to domains and click verify next to your domain. Wait up to 48 to 72 hours for the DNS changes to propagate and your domain to connect. If you bought your domain through Base44, the connection and SSL setup happen automatically within about 5 to 30 minutes. No manual DNS changes are needed. To avoid issues, double check your DNS entries, remove any AAA records, ensure your domain is active, and remove extra conflicting records. Once verified, your Base44 app will be live on your custom domain with SSL enabled. Subscribe.